This is Bostitch Bulldog roofing nailer. I've been using this roofing nailer for several different roofing jobs and it really served me well. And you see all these scratches because I put it on the roof all the time. When I'm using it, I don't have any issues for like jamming the nails or didn't fire, no problem at all. And you see here it got rubber, so when you put it on the side, it's not easy to slide. And the angle is right, so using it very accurate, very comfortable, and the trigger is not a single fire, so if you just hold it there to don don don, just start to firing, so you're gonna be like push down and lift it up like quickly. And if there's something happens, you will open it up very easy. And for changing the nail, it's very easy, just like this. Do you put a coil in here and pull it to the front and close the lid and close this part. That's it. You see here. So here is all the metal as well. It's very sturdy, super powerful, and here you just can change the depths. It's very easy. Big dial. And you see here, it's all metal part. So when you take this nailer going onto the roof, just feels comfortable. I like this one. Highly recommend it. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.